Hi YouTubers, welcome to one of my videos. Yes, I am in the downstairs toilet, hence the echo. And this is some wood I picked up near Rutland Water, Barnsdale. And what I intend to do is to make some things for YouTubers I meet up with their motorhomes, so I can give them something from the meetup. And I'm going to make some bowls, probably some goblets, maybe some egg cups, and a few other bits and pieces from this wood. Not sure what wood it is, but this is what I'm going to use. Wood is coming on. Should get quite a few pieces of something out of it. Well, it's taking shape, but the wind's come up, so it's blown all over the garden. Okay, welcome back. I'm making some things for the motorhome YouTubers for when we meet up. And we've had some atrocious weather just lately. So it's high winds and rain, so it stopped me doing this work on the lathe. I'm going to make some things to give away for when I have motorhome meetups regarding YouTube. So I'm making a few wooden items, and I think this might be a tree, and I've made a small tree before, but I think I'll have a go with this wood. There it is. This is the tree I'm making. I've got to cut it off, part it here and there, and yeah, nice little tree. It's a bit more sand in it, but it's not too bad. Okay, I've come in now from the garden. The wind's come up, it's blown the sawdust absolutely everywhere, and that's a tree, and these are candlestick holders. I can't find the candles at the moment, but I'll put them in when I can find them, so you can see what it looks like. These are either going to be stained or varnished, not sure. These are the candlestick holders I made before for sounds, and these are what I'm making for other YouTubers when I see them. And the tree. And so thanks for watching so far, and this is part one. There'll be more of this when I decide what I'm making. It's a bit hit and miss. It's just what I feel like on the day and what the wood looks like. So there's no real plan. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.